Would you believe me if I told you this designer-inspired Versace halter dress can actually be recreated for just $10? And not with silk or satin, but with Indonesian batik. Today, I'm bringing high fashion to life on a budget, turning traditional fabric into a statement runway piece. Hi loves! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Evelyn and I do DIY fashion project inspired by high fashion and pop culture.
So, Versace halter dresses are all about glamour, bold prints, daring cuts, and that effortless sexy vibe. I wanted to keep the iconic halter silhouette but reinterpret it with batik, combining the global luxury with Indonesian heritage.
Batik is lightweight cotton and doesn't rip. That's part of the charm. The structure gives it a bold, almost architectural look.
Batik is perfect because the bold patterns already echo Versace's love for striking prints. For this project, I will need one piece of batik. I choose the black one to match the Versace color, matching thread, and some basic sewing tools. I begin by gently sketching the pattern of the halter neck dress on my notebook. I made a few tweaks to the dress I created to better match my character. I was inspired by Pinterest, where I saw a lot of keyhole designs, so I decided to recreate one myself. Unleash both elegance with this stunning bodycon mini dress, designed to make a statement. The dress hugs the curve with a sleek, form-fitting silhouette that celebrates confidence and style. The high halter neckline adds a touch of sophistication, while the baroque-inspired pattern dances across a deep black background, a signature look of Versace. The striking mix of ornate scrolls and bold couture branding creates a luxurious eye-catching aesthetic, perfect for evening glam or a stylish night out. Elevate it further with heels and gold accessories. This isn't just fashion, it's attitude wrapped in culture. This is my pattern. My size is M and my height is 160 cm. It's standard Asian size. Now that the paper pattern is ready, it's time to bring it to life to fabric. The first step is to carefully lay out my fabric, making sure it's smooth and free of wrinkles. This will ensure a clean, accurate transfer. You can use my pattern directly if we have the same size. If your size is small, reduce 1 cm at the side of the body's front and back downward. And vice versa, if your size is L, add 1 cm at the side of the body's front and back downward. The pattern is very simple. Only one piece of front bodies and one piece of back bodies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more designer looks made affordable. Halter neckline creates an elongating effect on the neck and draws attention to the shoulders and collarbones. Flattering choice for many body types. Here's the result after cutting out the dress pattern. You can see how the fabric has taken shape. Each piece carefully cut to match the design. I'm doing it twice, both the main fabric and the lining fabric. I pin the edges carefully to keep the batik clean and polished. Pinning is such an important step. It keeps everything in place and ensures the seams will align perfectly when I start stitching. It may seem like a small detail, but it really makes a big difference in the final result. It's always exciting to see the raw material transform into something more defined and ready to be sewn together. Mini length adds a bold, youthful, and sexy vibe, perfect for showcasing legs or pairing with statement shoes like heels. Fitted silhouette. Many halter mini dresses are bodycon style, meaning they are close-fitting and accentuate curves. The dress is chic and sexy. The open shoulders and short length make it go to parties, night out, or any occasion where you want to turn heads. It's flattering for many body types, especially great for women with toned shoulder. But the silhouette can also highlight hourglass shapes beautifully. The next step is to bring all these pieces to life and start stitching them into the final creation. I do the basting stitch and sew everything else. I visited my local sewing supply store to create these buttons, all covered in batik fabric, the same material I used for the dress. I'm sewing the buttons by hand, adding the final personal touch to complete the dress. I clean up the raw edges and give everything a good press. The finishing details make all the differences between homemade and high fashion DIY. And here it is, a Versace inspired halter dress for just $10, made entirely from Indonesian batik. It's proof that you don't need thousands of dollars to look runway ready. Dress it up with heels, clutch bag, and bold jewelry, or keep it playful with sneakers and oversized sunglasses. enjoy this DIY, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, should I try Dior, Chanel, or Balmain next? Thanks for watching and see you in the next fashion transformation.